Welcome back, folks. Today I want to talk about the next tool in my Bauer lineup, and that is the Bauer Reciprocating Saw. Now this is the brushed motor at $59 with no battery, but you can also get a compact version and a brushless version for around $85 without a battery. Unlike the circular saw, the reciprocating saw does not lack power at all. I have cut through so many things from metal to wood without any issues whatsoever. Now this does fall in the Bauer 20 volt lineup, so you can use any of the Bauer 20 volt batteries that you can find at Harbor Freight. This has a really nice rubber grip all the way up at the top, so you don't have to worry about your hand slipping whenever you're cutting through something. And then again, the standard rubber grip that Bauer is putting on all of their products is right here. So one thing that I really like is that they did put a lock on the trigger. So whenever you're carrying this down by your side, walking along, your finger naturally rests on the trigger and you could accidentally pull that. But you can easily lock and unlock the trigger so you won't accidentally pull it whenever you're just carrying it around. It does have a really nice quick release mechanism for the blade that you can easily pull out, and then you can just simply reinstall your blade and lock this down into place, and now your blade is locked in. Now this does have a pivoting shoe on the end that is adjustable up to 3 different settings, so you can control the depth of the cut, and also it does pivot along with whatever surface you're pushing it up against. The motor in this particular model does deliver up to 3000 SPM. And one other nice feature is this does contain an electric brake. So the saw blade will stop exactly whenever you release the trigger. Now this tool is die cast aluminum, so you don't have to worry about like rusting or anything like that. And they do claim that the shaft on the inside is double oiled and sealed, so that should make the tool last quite a bit longer. Now one more thing other than the lock that is on this trigger is that it is variable, so you can go as slow or as fast as you want whenever you're pulling on that trigger. This comes in at 5.99 pounds, and that's not too bad, but it's also not very light. Now the stroke length on this particular saw is 1 1/8 of an inch. Now that you know all the information about this saw, let's go out and cut a few pieces of material. Now I do have a backyard trail here on my property, and I use this saw actually primarily for trimming branches just like this. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how it works whenever you're out on a trail and cutting some branches down. And there you go. That's the Bauer 20 volt reciprocating saw brushed version review. If you guys like this review, click that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.